Hello everyone. In last video, we have discussed a few examples of uniform motion. In this video, we will discuss some more examples of non-uniform motion. Earlier, we have discussed on uniform motion. Here, we will discuss on non-uniform motion. So, first example is car moving on a crowded street. So, as we know, whenever there is some big traffic jam or whenever you come to the toll plaza, there there are lot of cars will be there, and that time whenever you want to increase the speed of the car or decrease the speed of the car or maintain the speed of the car, it is not decided by you. Whenever you are such a crowded place, your car speed will be decided by the person in front of you who is driving that car. So relative to the others, we have to maintain the car speed, right? Because in a traffic jam or in such a crowded place near to the toll plaza also, so we have to regularly change the speed. Sometimes you have to apply brake, sometimes you have to increase the speed, sometimes you have to decrease the speed so that the flow which other cars are going, with that flow you have to go. So there actually what we are doing the variation in the speed, and those variations are very sudden. Suddenly you have to increase the speed, suddenly you have to decrease the speed, sometimes you have to apply the brake. So those motions are non-uniform. So car moving on a crowded street, it is a perfect example of a non-uniform motion, because there we are doing a variation in the speed. There we are not maintaining the speed constant. Another example is person jogging in the park. So as you know, whenever we go to the park, and once you are entered in the park, does it happen like that? Once you are entered in the park, you have came for jogging or exercise, and once you are entered in the park, then you have started running, and continuously you are running for 3 to 4 hours, and after 3 to 4 hours you have stopped. And in that 3 to 4 hours running, you are maintaining the speed of 100 kilometer per hour. No, it is not like that. See, simply what will happen, maybe for starting 10 minutes or first half an hour, we will run with some speed. And once we got exhausted, once we got tired, then somewhere we will sit on the bench, we will drink water, we will take a long breath. And after that, once again, once you got feel fresh, then what we will will start again our running exercise, or sometime we will walk very slowly, right? So these kinds of variations we will do when we go to the park for exercise or jogging. So there, what motion we are doing, that motion is itself a example of a non-uniform motion. So there, the person went for jogging exercise in that park. So that person is changing his running speed or his walking speed, right? Suddenly. So there are like there is no any uh, constant behavior we are maintaining there. Simply we are changing the speed. Sometime we are increasing, sometime we are decreasing, sometime we are maintaining the speed. So like this much of variations we are doing. So all this is an example of non-uniform motion. There the person or we, what motion, that motion is supposed to be a non-uniform motion. Okay, so the car moving on a crowded street and a person jogging in the park, these are the perfect examples of non-uniform motion. Thank you.